Hello, good morning from Kaham. Welcome back to my channel. Norway ang face-to-face Kwchar Baloka. For so many reasons, hingga tini ang Norway ni buskang five many reason hingga actually for very good reason. Among ka coronavirus hingga ang kabang request mangka coronavirus niti update sana bagay hingga Awan bagini kisama sahamani by now no jotono saimang India bo salayo jotono coronavirus nte so ang asik basic o thanglia hingke tabo China ang tongmani o America ni New Jersey state ni situation nang wisi deal kai I mean share kai ni narbai just an overview norok saimang kana January beginning of January was kana ka je China ni Wuhan ni kasi province or state or coronavirus I don't know epicenter I don't know start on go ni hingga abun pore bongnar kabang borok thekya hingga suffer khaika including doctor rok bo thekya hingga among ka highly that easily no spread ngo norok saiman na jamo borok sneezing ro khaiman bising tu cough khaiman bising tu je hajug mani cough ni bising tu abo salok layo hingga borok hajug angke abo droplet no daseng abo nabar bai khalai abo nang baksa ka surface mane table lo gana hangke table lo fan toroka germ abo ka virus hingga aba dogla mo fana kasai tongka aba lift je elevator ro fan na kan kaing di borok thangpuru a table fan tangri jaka hingga ba doglam ni a handle fan rom jaka gam tikhebo ngi mano hingga abo norok jotono saiman nahni kha khayo hingga abon pore soika aboni gana gini neighboring country wo soloka neighboring country wo South Korea ro wo belek affected hingga Thailand ro hingga at the same time borok wo quarantine যেমন isolation bui bai mix khaya bui separate ke tonnani measures naman bising te bor control on to faika kitabo ongoing je crisis hingga to jeng saimana Italy wo belek ko borok thik tongkha hingga America bongkha as of today dini morning ni je update hingga borok 200 borok thikya America bo hingga more than 1000 borok infected hingga New Jersey, New York to state emergency rika hingga ani husband to New York ko khaimani borok last week ni simi no nog ni simi samung khanin ni borok order rika hingga New York hingga to kaisa busiest city in the world hingga haipana tawo borok nogo no bisi tongbayo remotely no bisi samung khai tongo hingga ani hospital bo visitor restriction khalarika hingga starting last week ni simina jeng kisa remotely samung khainen try khaika gang Skype ro bai patient rok no naihoga ani to ani kaisa good news hingga ang hospital ni bisingo admission nangjak je jeng je inpatient daw jaga ke hingga outpatient mane jeng outdoor ni himani India bo angke most of the time ani duty hingga outdoor ni mano outdoor by sing inpatient building separate hasal abun bagi ani kisa aro benefit mane added benefit nang hani mano angko aro disease ro ganang rasak phaite ya hingga special ani specialty to na saiman na neuro psychiatrist hingga jaga infection gana rasak sakpane ni कम chance tongo ni abon bagin comparatively ani risk kisa kom fear bonorok saima kana few weeks ago I guess before okay March ni first week the 7 or 8 to ang hospital bising ko ba ang duty khai kya waise isu ang weekend ro khayo hingga amon kisa hingga mia sang kaisa information mangka chino hospital lo masa patient coronavirus positive sakwe kya hingga also America wo chung tam khai tong bai ke hospital ni je workers rok kawma jaga bo borong no bisi infected ngan chance tongo especially emergency department ro khaine nurse thing doctor thing tai kabang borok to first patient pake emergency tin ni sing to mahabo mane patient rok to awon bagino hingke aborong bagino special measures manna jakha hingke facial mask rok ko chung nogo bo mask ton iri ribo ke mask rok unnecessary jate waste khayate abon stock no payang na bagai hinke hospital ni bagi no bisi priority abon bagi no general public no hinke asuk mask ingyasa ruk ingyasa ta thuk di ni shaga hinke hospital stock khalai advance stock ma tangka mask gloves hinke tai face ni shield khai je positive jarang to mo khanya bagai hinke chini hospital kaisa separately kaisa tent haike temporary areas lamka abo camping hai ni mano ajaga wo je positive jarang no alga ke tona bagai hinke ajaga wo je non essential elective surgery rok jemon surgery abo nasingni manai jat operation rok no hinke postpone khaikya hinkai baksa patient rok ani jemon orto appointment memang go ani patient baksa haina ni musung jagya rok no hinke जों electronically computer by no refill no medicine prescription ro haro kamti ro khai khalai जों social distancing khanya ni try kai tongo ge ang oro jaga sana musung je kaham ko kaisa american hinga jaga kaisa bui sai re ka hangai order government theke government ro order na sakang oroni expertise ro by medical expertise ro by kok salai no announce khayo hange public ro wa sincerely follow khayo ke khayo india bo mahakin khaya ne nei hinge ani background no basa sai mena ani public health ro khaike which is coronavirus to kaisa global public health crisis amno epidemiology rok na anga yu polimani hinga epidemiology belani important amba saimi ake treatment bo khaimi ya epidemiology hinga tam khai study khayo the virus bacteria no characteristic borok bopti environment of banchi bopti hai busuk दिन रो infection last khai amting ni character che pura bini study che khai mani amno na epidemiology ke epidemiological study ta phon soli tong kho to virus ka talba corona ni family coronavirus ni family ke tongo mane agi ni simina kinto all strain ke different ka tal hanke abon ni epidemiology ni tabung sa mo tong ke 2 weeks bui bai separate ke tong kan ke je expose jak especially je boro China ro verify kya ba affected area verify kya ba bro witong nai rong ni close contact of can get 2 weeks quarantine nam na ma ki ma ton ne inka jaga unfortunately chini state ni kaise family ro gathering like ro boro infected nka family reunion ngai inke kabang ma boro family member no kabang ma boro thekya inke just from single family is very very horrible and sad story inke abo nang sana mo chung triplan borok no coronavirus abo kubui se real amako rumor ya the second inke angoro kisa ang disturb mo jaka khanawai tripura rogo especially india o kabangma borok kabangma sak no claim khayo baksa ka ba urine cow ni urine rog nang la yo ni khana baksa inke ba different alternative pias ni onion ni juice ginger garlic juice tam rock lemon juice rock ne ang no go internet rock claim kai mani but don't get carried away take it seriously belai kiri na bunaya at the same time belai kiri abang na naya just keep up get kisa distance hai tondi buiro haju ka hanga hanga je haju na ro kholobi khasi di tai yeah hand wash all the time hand wash khai di hanga abun pore hingai je boro nijina sak na sore hime suspect khai ke bobo onko khai ma tonai ni sak na hasa ke sing tona hand sanitizer di tona sab samino small size inke bag di toni mongkai big size ni nogo tondi hingai different nang sore hime kaf rong kha kaf ke iko surgical mask to man thogar bo abur di mo use and throw gamro khaidi hinke hospital ni staff rong bagi hinke to N95 abo mask abo ebo no tam sanai better quality de healthcare provider bagi mantogo ke tai tam sanai anga se kok kolok salia take care stay healthy and be happy ke amuto ta world crisis choli dongo American ke bang supermarket rogo chamung rok especially daily needs money rok onko toilet paper rok inke am hand sanitizer inke chamung milk tik abrok paithanga gawan bagi taisa restock haitong layo ke chung ga gini simi na potential nungma bagi chin na go sang advance ke samung ton ma bagi um आवासक problem samung problem ya ko gai kon kisa dry mani rok jemon dal potato rice amti rok na stock ke dong ke kisa crisis rok ni bo na supply jemon tripura bo to on big state on sapai mai hangke bezal food rok nong ka hangke chauta ang bo nai tu tong ma hangke jeng kisa photo iko mo hai pura supermarket o ongkong thangka empty kun kari awo chini aroni no okay the high situation in ka okay but things are going better now. I guess everyone is alert and necessary precaution nai tongo angke amon ang sana musungo je baksa ke sawa mo chupra go mo political perspective baksa ke mo hai heno angke I don't know about that arang tong ya bagi fia coronavirus angke abo real no choli tongo abo pandemic ni meaning no buji kana abo kaisa jagang liya kabang ma jaga sori thangka world ni different part o abon bagin tabo coronavirus no pandemic heno angke khakayo kisa video ni bising tang ani je feedback by input rimang kana ne inge kaham ke tonglai di inge ulang next video or like naranai sini first aid tam ke tonanang tin logi ro tam medical emergency mani ta anang ne ini asna